to Ramadan recipes, where we make savoury and sweet dishes for your iftar and for your sehri. Now today we're going to be making a staple dish of Syria. This is called Ful Mudamma, and it's something that's a staple on Friday mornings, usually on non-Ramadan days, and during Ramadan it's actually a staple of the iftar period. So it's actually incorporating the broad beans and also some chickpeas, and they're perfect for keeping you energized during the next day and also bringing back your energy after a full day. So let's have a look at the ingredients we're going to need for making Ful Mudamma. Now we're going to start with some water, which we need to boil the beans and the chickpeas, as well as the broad beans themselves, and also some tahini, some paprika, salt, Greek yogurt, olive oil, some chickpeas, and you can use canned chickpeas to make the cooking process faster, chopped tomatoes, juice of a lemon, and also some garlic. So to make the Ful Mudamma, we'll take a pan and add in leaf parsley. Ful Mudamma is a dish that's really high in nutritional value. This is a dish that's packed with protein from the beans and from the chickpeas and also from the yogurt, but it's also high in fibre from the beans and the chickpeas. And because we're adding in tomatoes and other fresh ingredients, if you garnish it with onions, it's really tasty, then that's going to add your vitamins and minerals. And the olive oil is an anti-inflammatory that keeps your body calmer during the Ramadan period. So let's have a recap of the ingredients that we need to make Ful Mudamma. I really hope you've enjoyed making the Ful Mudamma with me today. This is a dish that's really high in nutritional value, something that's going to keep you healthy during Ramadan. And you can eat it during iftar and also during Sehri as well. Make sure you join me for more recipes for your Sehri and your iftar during Ramadan.